Guys, that was really good work.
That was so good.
I've never had tips.
Aww. Good morning, friends. It is Monday. It is day one of my finals. It's about 9:15. My hair is a mess. I didn't brush it yet, but I wanted to do this quick because I am headed towards my first. Oh my god, my room is so messy. I'm so sorry, guys. Wanted to let you guys know that I'm on my way towards my first final, which is media management. And as you can tell, I'm half asleep, which is really good because I'm about to take a final exam. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm about to meet with my study group first before the final starts to kind of review material, and then we're gonna take the test. And yeah, wish me luck. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We're ready for our first final.
No, not at all.
We're studying for media programming and management.
Bureaucratic management.
What's that mean, Caroline?
Bureaucratic is when you have a subordinate and a, I was going to say dominant. What is it? You have a subordinate and a dominant.
It's like strict work. Like it's strict.
Clear division of labor and management, strong central authority, system of seniority, strict discipline and control, and clear policies and procedures, careful selection of workers.
Beautiful. Yeah, so wish us all luck because we're really tired. But we did study a lot. We did study a lot, so we should be okay. But yes, we're gonna do this, and I will. Yeah, that's it. Wish us luck. Goodbye. Well, when I started packing, Nicole's a lot farther along than me because she gets to leave Thursday. I don't leave till Friday. How are your finals going?
I'm writing a paper.
You got this. You're gonna do so well. Let's do some mirror stuff. But yeah, I'm on my way to the second final, which is my directing showcase, and I'm also acting in it, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, day 2, we out here. So I realized that I forgot to vlog after my media management final and for my finishing my art and politics final and my theater history final. But I think the first one went pretty well. I kind of studied a lot, so it wasn't so bad. Of course, it's raining again. It's been raining nonstop the past 3 days. I'm over it. Then I had to write a final paper last night after going to wing night with my friends for a break, and that kind of was hard, but I kind of just, submitted it, and I'm hoping for the best. And then earlier today we had our online final for theater history, which was pretty easy because we were allowed to, do open note and stuff. Hang on, But yeah, basically we had online access to like all of our resources and notes and stuff. Wow, my eyes look really blue all of a sudden. So that final wasn't too bad. I hope that I got an A on it, and now I'm headed towards my fourth final, which is actually a showcase. The directing class that I'm in, that's really loud. Sorry, I'm rushing right now because I'm a little bit late because we're running all 3 of our scenes beforehand, but I'm in a directing class. So basically tonight we'll be presenting a scene that I directed, and then I will be acting in 2 scenes that my peers directed in the class. So I'm kind of nervous about that because this is the first time that my theater department's really going to see me act on a stage. So that's a little nerve-wracking, but I'm excited. I'm excited to be able to act, and I'm excited for people to see what I directed. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. Guys, I'm literally about to go out there for my directing final / I'm acting in 2 scenes for it, and I literally want to throw up. I'm getting so nervous because like this is the first time my theater peers are like watching me act because I haven't been in any shows yet. So it's going to be in this directing showcase. I'm so nervous. Wish me luck. Good morning, guys. It is, it's not even morning, it's afternoon already. Well, good afternoon, guys. It is Wednesday of my finals week. Today is my day off because my original Wednesday final got moved to an assignment that was due Monday night. So luckily I'm finished with that, and I get some time to kind of chill and study and kind of reevaluate my week and the rest of my finals and stuff. I think that my directing final went pretty well last night. I felt pretty good about the acting. I felt really good about the scene that I directed because a lot of people laughed at it, and shout out to my amazing actors, Lily and Zach, because, they are a big reason for that, so that was really cool. But yeah, I woke up pretty late today because I knew I could sleep in, and I also had a headache, so I decided to just kind of wake up slowly and take some time for myself. And now I'm about to shower and meet my friends for lunch in town because we're gonna go treat ourselves for mid-study week, mid-finals week with some brunch. So yeah. Okay, so I didn't have time to put makeup on, but like look how cute my outfit looks for today. I never wear dresses, so this is a rare occasion, but I'm really feeling it today. So yeah, about to enjoy some nice brunch with my friends. See you there. Nicole first, because I feel like you're ready. Happy finals week!
Thank you.
Brunch, breakfast, break, lunch. Wow. How do you feel, Izzy?
I'm really stressed.
Oh, I'm sorry. How many finals do you have left?
No, but I'm so sick of
You have 3 left still?
Yeah, one on one day and then 2 on one day.
That's right.
You have 4.
Oh, you want to be in it now?
I have 4. No, but I'm just saying I have 4 left. I don't want to be in it.
I have 1. Are you ready for it?
Papers straight today.
That's a lot of papers.
A paper and then Asian art history.
Oh no, that's the word.
Oh, it's Spanish tomorrow.
Wait, we're not ready for this at all.
We should
I
not
thought
be
we
here
were all
right now.
chilling
And we're
right
all
now.
out to breakfast, yeah.
It's not good. So I got back from brunch with my friends a little while ago, and for some reason I am so tired. I slept in today, but I had kind of a rough and stressful night last night, so I don't know, maybe that's part of why I'm really exhausted right now. Have a lot of things I could be doing. I could be working on a YouTube video, I could be editing, I could be studying for my finals over the next 2 days, but I am so sleepy, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm watching YouTube videos right now in my bed all cozy because it's my 1 day off until the last 2 finals, and I also have a friend who's visiting later, so I'm excited about that. He used to go to school here, but now he doesn't. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just chilling right now. I might take a nap, which is so terrible because I woke up so late today, but I don't know. I just cannot bring myself to doing anything right now. I might try to edit for a little while and we'll see how that goes, so yeah.
About that happened on our vlog channel. Over the course of like the past 3 or 4 months, every day I would get 5 or
Still haven't been very productive today. I took that nap that I was telling y'all about. Then I straightened my room up a little bit, sort of started editing a video, but barely did anything. Just got dinner. One of my favorite on-campus places was closed though, so I had to settle for like my least favorite place on campus because nothing else is open. And yeah, the day continues to be kind of a struggle, to be honest. I don't know. I'm just waiting for my friend to get here and to further continue avoiding all my responsibilities. So that's really good, guys. Yeah, this is my second to last final. A lot of these people are done today, so lucky you guys. Enjoy your summer, everyone.
Hello, summer.
Me and Shannon, I think, are the only ones who have finals tomorrow. And let's go. All right. Well,
Sucks to be you.
Bless us. Wish us luck. Finals week update. So I probably look so bad right now because I've just been cleaning and packing for like maybe 3 hours. Maybe a little less than that, which is like really good for me because I get distracted very easily, but for some reason I just put on music and I was like going. This is also the first time I'm packing by myself after a semester of college. Usually my parents pick me up, but this is my first semester with my car, so I had to do it all myself, and guys, I'm really proud of myself. My last final is tomorrow, so I don't have to move everything to my car yet. I still have to dust, I still have to pack a few things, but I'm really proud of myself. I'll show you how everything looks. So this is my side. So I just have the books that I have to return to the bookstore, and I still have my calendar up because I just like having my calendar up. Like, it makes me feel organized, and I still have a final and I still have to finish one final assignment right now. So I like having my calendar up. And then my roommate Nicole left around like 4 p.m. So I literally started packing and cleaning like right after she left because it's been so easy because I've just been using her side. So that is all my stuff on her old side of the room. But it like worked out really well because it's kind of like over there. I don't have to worry about it right now. I can like do my thing. I'm about to do my final assignment and study and then hang out with some friends hopefully. But yeah, I feel really good. I don't know how I'm gonna pack my fan. That's one of the things I'm really stressed about, but I'll probably have some friends help me tomorrow because that's a lot of stuff to move to my car. I I am not that strong of a girl. But yeah, that's how it's going. Last final today. Hey guys, so I am obviously home now. Everything pretty much went well with the rest of my finals, and I didn't shoot, you know, me loading up my car and packing and traveling home and stuff, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me vlog a lot more this summer, because I am definitely open to doing that. I already made a community poll on my main channel, which is Hey Just Kayla here, so definitely subscribe to that if you haven't already. And yeah, I have a lot of plans for this channel. I have a lot of plans for my main channel, so I'm really excited about the summer. Also, tomorrow's my birthday, so that's super exciting. I might try to do a birthday vlog. We'll see. But yeah, cheers to the end of the semester, and I might post a video about my grades soon. I don't know if you guys are interested in that, let me know. But yeah.